Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Thursday, March 17th. Let's find out what's on our calendar. Wow, we had 10 o'clock on our clock yesterday. Let's see what will be on it today. 10:30. That means 30 minutes of time have passed by. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. And as we continue, we are going to now focus on our days in school. We'll add on another day. Which now gives us 119 days, which is cool. Seems like it's been longer. It really does. So we will see. 19, 19, 19. And then we will add one more cube to the collection. So we have 119 days here. We are now going to go to our spinner and find out how many coins we're adding to our collection. Whoa! We have 1 dime and 1 nickel. So we'll add one more time. And then we'll add a nickel. Wow, very cool. And that means tomorrow we will be able to add all of our coins up for the week. Now, what we are going to do, All Stars, we are going to try one more of these facts. We've had some great numbers we've used so far. And let's see if we can hit another. 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. We could take a turnaround fact and say 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. The last thing we're going to focus on, All Stars, is our math book, where we are going to open up our math book that has the blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. And we're going to turn it to page 49. 49. 49. On this page, you are actually going to do some adding and subtracting. You're going to think about what two numbers can you add together that make the number 10 when you add them. And then you're going to think about, wow, if I have 10 and I take the number that is listed below it away, how many do I have left? So you are going to be adding up here. 8 plus something equals 10. If you have 8, how many more do you need to add to it to make the number 10? And you're going to keep doing that for each one of these addition problems. And then you are going to use your subtraction muscles to complete the subtraction on the bottom. I know you can do it, All Stars. Off you go.